Show you some of the president's responses this morning on Twitter, saying earlier, as has been stated by numerous legal scholars, I have the absolute right to pardon myself. But then goes on to say, why would I do that when I have done nothing wrong? And then I also want to show you this latest tweet. This one came in about 20 minutes ago, also caught our attention. It says, the appointment of the special counsel is totally unconstitutional. Despite that, we play the game because I, unlike the Democrats, have done nothing wrong. So saying that twice, he hasn't done anything wrong, and then calling out Robert Mueller.